can you actually make passive income as an event planner or a wedding planner? Well, let's see. Hi, I'm Jody Enroe, founder of the Event Certificate and eventplanningtemplates.com, and I work with event planners and wedding planners to help them level up their online marketing. So today I actually just wanted to share some tips that you can use if you're looking to get more passive income into your business, as well as to diversify your revenue sources. So I know, because I worked as an event planner for over 15 years, there are moments when every single revenue in your business is coming from events, right? Actually, I think that's most cases, right? But when the pandemic hit and we all saw what happened there as the events dried up and all the restrictions were in place, we know that it's not a good idea to put all your eggs in one basket. Now, yes, at the end of the day, you might still have about 80% of your revenue coming from events, but what I really want to show you in this video is how to add that 20% to not be events, so that when that 80% stops for any reason, you still have that 20% coming in. So what I'm going to show you is basically how I do it using affiliate marketing. Now, yes, as a service-based business owner, you can still do affiliate marketing. No, it does not have to be scammy. No, you do not have to be selling flat belly tees. So I'm going to give you some tips that can help. The first tip is that you should start with advertisers that you already work with. So look at what your clients are doing. Where are they shopping? And look into those advertisers. So if you're a wedding planner, are your brides on Etsy? Are they using David's Bridal? And by the way, those are two companies I know for a fact has affiliate programs. Look into that and do the research, because once you do the research and you have a list of the companies that you work with and that they actually use all the time, then those are the easiest and my top recommended advertisers to start with. Then the second tip, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and find and sign up for the programs. So if you check Etsy and David's Bridal and they both have affiliate programs, which we know they do, the next thing you want to do is just you want to hop on, you want to review the programs, and you want to sign up. Look into what their commission structures are. And by that, I mean, how much of the cost or the percentage do you get if someone signs up through a link that they use that refers from you? You know what I mean. You sign up as an affiliate, you get a unique link to refer people to. So if someone clicks that link and goes over to the site, it tracks that it came from you, and then they give you a commission. Now, commissions vary depending on the company and can be anywhere from 5% to, I've seen it as high as 70 for some companies, right? So look into the program and see what's possible, but do your research. One of the biggest part of this is to make sure that you research the programs, because sometimes I know you might be tempted to go for programs because they have a really high commission rate. So you might look at a company has a 50% commission rate, but you need to also look at other factors. If they have a 50% commission rate, but their affiliates are not having a lot of success promoting their items, that might not be the best program for you, right? One of the things I'm going to link below is actually my passive income workbook for wedding planners, which is very helpful because I give you a quick guide sheet to show you exactly what to look for when you're signing up for a program. Now, the third thing you want to do is once you sign up for the programs, you want to integrate them into your business. Affiliate programs shouldn't be seen as a separate entity completely, right? So let's say you are now promoting Etsy. What you want to do is you want to look for organic ways to incorporate Etsy products in your existing business. So maybe it's writing a blog post where you can say, here are the top 5 bridal items on Etsy for this year, and you write an extensive blog post, you link to the different items, and you also use your affiliate link. So that way, if anyone is looking for it and finds your blog post and clicks the link and purchase anything, you get a commission. The other thing too is this might be helpful for your clients. So if you know your clients are always asking for recommendations and items and products, anything else, you can put together maybe a guide or a blog post, whatever is better for them, and use your affiliate links throughout. This way, you're making genuine recommendations, and once they use it, you get a commission. Believe it or not, it's really that simple. The only part that I find people fall off on is the promotion. Don't just start pushing these affiliate programs as if you're just like a salesy person. Incorporate them, make it authentic, make it genuine, because nobody wants you in their face just selling random products and items. So maybe you looked on Brave It's Bridal one day and they're having a sale and you saw a dress that you absolutely love. Pull it out, share it on your website, share it on Instagram, share it on your other social media platforms, and provide a link where people can purchase it, right? Don't just start sharing random products, make it genuine, because people can tell when you're not actually providing a genuine recommendation. So those are my tips, and I guarantee you, if you're doing all those tips that I explained, you will actually see some success. Now, of course, all the programs you promote will vary and your success will be different. So if you have questions, drop them for me below. And of course, go and check out my guide because I really break it down. I also include a list to over 50 recommended affiliate programs for wedding planners. And those planners or those programs are streamlined and they're exactly what you should be looking at, meaning they're within your industry, they're within what your clients would be looking for, and they're not off-brand. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot today. If you have any questions, drop them below. And again, hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified of more videos like this one week after week.